Rustic tiny house courtyard with vintage greenery and wraparound porch. Welcome to Home Decor and Design, where we bring you inspiring ideas to transform small spaces into breathtaking retreats. In today's video, we'll show you how to design a rustic tiny house courtyard with stunning vintage greenery and a charming wraparound porch. Whether you're working with a compact backyard or a cozy tiny house, these ideas will help you create a warm and inviting outdoor sanctuary. Let's dive in and make your dream courtyard a reality. Before we delve into our exploration, allow us to extend a warm welcome back to Home Decor and Design and invite you to join us and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber for more engaging ideas on home design inspiration. A rustic tiny house courtyard is a harmonious blend of natural materials, lush greenery, and vintage-inspired decor that evokes warmth and timeless charm. Natural elements. Incorporate wood and stone for an earthy foundation. Think reclaimed wood benches, natural stone pathways, or even a rustic pergola covered in climbing ivy. Vintage greenery. Choose plants that exude nostalgic beauty, such as lavender, hydrangeas, and creeping ivy. These add texture, color, and a sense of serenity to your courtyard. Functional design. By integrating practical elements like potted plants and vertical trellises, even the smallest spaces can feel expansive and inviting. Imagine a courtyard where every detail, from the lush greenery to the earthy textures, comes together to create a peaceful retreat. The importance of a wraparound porch. A wraparound porch is more than just a design feature. It's the heart of your outdoor living space. Enhanced functionality. It provides shaded seating for hot summer days and a cozy spot to enjoy your morning coffee. It also acts as a seamless bridge between indoor and outdoor spaces, perfect for relaxation or entertaining. Design details. Combine sturdy wooden flooring with vintage touches like wrought iron railings or hanging flower baskets to tie together the rustic and vintage themes. Pro tip: adding outdoor lighting to your porch enhances its usability and creates a magical atmosphere in the evenings. Positioning your rustic courtyard. Choosing the perfect location is key to maximizing your space. 1. Optimal sunlight. Position your courtyard to receive ample sunlight, especially for sun-loving plants like lavender or climbing roses. 2. Natural shade. If you're in a warmer climate, consider adding shading elements like pergolas, fabric canopies, or trellises with climbing greenery for balance. 3. Space efficiency. Make the most of small spaces by incorporating multifunctional elements like built-in planters or foldable furniture. With these ideas, you'll be able to design a rustic tiny house courtyard that combines the timeless beauty of vintage greenery with the practicality of a wraparound porch. Stay tuned for more tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Decor and Design. When is the best time to design your tiny house courtyard? Timing your project ensures a smoother process and better results. Seasonal considerations. Spring, the ideal season for planting vibrant greenery like lavender, creeping ivy, and hydrangeas. The ideal season for planting vibrant greenery like lavender, creeping ivy, and hydrangeas. The mild weather also makes it perfect for outdoor construction projects, like building your wraparound porch. Fall, great for planting perennial flowers and preparing your courtyard for cozy winter evenings. Fall is also an excellent time to add elements like rustic decor and lighting. Off-season prep. If you're not starting in spring or fall, focus on non-seasonal tasks such as hardscaping, furniture selection, or sourcing vintage planters. By planning around seasonal advantages, your courtyard will flourish year-round, maximizing its beauty and functionality. Who should consider a rustic tiny house courtyard? A rustic tiny house courtyard is perfect for those who love nature and simplicity. It's ideal for anyone seeking a serene retreat that blends seamlessly with nature. This style celebrates earthy tones, natural textures, and low-maintenance greenery, making it both practical and beautiful. Vintage charm. If you adore nostalgic touches like antique garden sculptures, wrought iron furnishings, or weathered wood accents, this courtyard design will perfectly suit your style. Tiny homeowners. For those with compact outdoor spaces, this design offers a way to expand your living area without major renovations. The wraparound porch adds functionality, creating a versatile area for dining, relaxing, or hosting guests. This design is not just a look, it's a lifestyle that balances rustic charm with modern needs. How to design a rustic tiny house courtyard. Plan your layout. Divide the space into distinct zones, such as a seating area, garden section, and shaded porch. Use pathways or rustic stepping stones to connect these areas seamlessly. Choose key materials, reclaimed wood, used for benches, pergolas, or even DIY planter boxes. Natural stone, ideal for flooring or edging garden beds. Vintage accessories. Incorporate items like antique watering cans or retro-style lighting fixtures. Incorporate vintage greenery. Create lush focal points using lavender, wildflowers, or potted olive trees. Climbing roses or ivy on trellises add height and charm to smaller spaces. Build your wraparound porch. Use durable wood or composite materials for longevity. Add rustic railing details and a few vintage outdoor chairs or a swing to enhance its appeal. Pro tip: for a cohesive look, tie together your greenery, furniture, and decor with a consistent color palette like earthy browns, soft greens, and vintage whites. By focusing on timing, personal needs, and thoughtful design, your rustic tiny house courtyard will become a cozy haven that blends timeless charm with practicality. Stay tuned for the next steps, and don't forget to subscribe to Home Decor and Design for more inspiring ideas. What kind of plants work best in a vintage greenery design? Choosing the right plants is essential to achieving a lush, vintage-inspired courtyard. Here's a guide to the best options. Climbing and trailing plants. Ivy and climbing roses add vertical interest, wrapping trellises or walls in nostalgic greenery. Cascading plants like jasmine or wisteria create a romantic, timeless look. Perennials. Lavender, hydrangeas, and peonies bring softness and bursts of color that feel both classic and inviting. Herbs like rosemary and thyme not only enhance the vintage vibe, but are functional for cooking or aromatic purposes. Seasonal potted plants. Use terracotta or weathered pots for accents. Incorporate citrus trees or wildflowers for additional texture and vibrancy. Pro tip: layer plant heights and textures to give the space depth and create a garden that feels dynamic and alive year-round. Why should you include a wraparound porch in your courtyard? A wraparound porch is more than just a decorative feature. It's a versatile addition that transforms your outdoor space. Extra living space provides a comfortable area for dining, reading, or relaxing, blending seamlessly with your tiny home. Works as a transition between indoor and outdoor spaces, making your courtyard feel larger. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. Complements the rustic theme with wood or composite materials that harmonize with vintage greenery. Add features like wicker seating, vintage lanterns, and textured cushions for an inviting look. Practical functionality. Offers shade during the summer and protection during light rain, ensuring year-round usability. Acts as a perfect backdrop for hosting small gatherings or enjoying quiet mornings with a cup of coffee. Pro tip: use outdoor rugs or runners in earthy tones to tie the porch area into the overall design seamlessly. Where can you find materials for a rustic courtyard design? Finding the right materials is key to achieving an authentic and cohesive look. Reclaimed or upcycled items. Look for salvaged wood for benches or fences, and repurpose old furniture for unique, budget-friendly pieces. Antique markets or thrift stores often have vintage planters, lanterns, or ironwork that add character. Local nurseries. For plants, choose nurseries specializing in native species or vintage-inspired greenery for sustainability and charm. Online resources. Platforms like Etsy or specialty garden websites offer unique decor and materials, from weathered tiles to rustic trellises. Pro tip: incorporate DIY elements, like painting terracotta pots or crafting your own outdoor furniture, to personalize your courtyard design. When to incorporate rustic decor elements into your design. Timing is everything when adding those final touches that complete your courtyard. After major construction, wait until the porch and hardscaping are finished to avoid accidental damage to decor items. Seasonal adjustments. Add seasonal elements like pumpkins in the fall or string lights for the holiday season. Layered additions. Gradually incorporate items like vintage statues, rustic sculptures, and hand-woven textiles to create a curated, natural look over time. Pro tip: introduce multifunctional decor like storage-friendly benches or lanterns with solar-powered lights to enhance both aesthetics and usability. With the right greenery, a charming wraparound porch, and thoughtfully sourced materials, your rustic tiny house courtyard will become a serene oasis. Whether you're starting from scratch or enhancing an existing space, these tips will help you create a design that's timeless, inviting, and uniquely yours. Don't forget to subscribe to Home Decor and Design for more inspiring ideas to transform your home and outdoor spaces.